plan. Let's go. We're going, Charlie. And stop there.
Some of the best experiences in life involve stepping out of your comfort zone. This is certainly that. I've never been to a health retreat before, and what an introduction. My heart's racing. They're telling me to just go with it and let go.
Charlie, let's go.
Let's go!
Oh my goodness. That was amazing.
I'm swinging through the trees at Eden Health Retreat in the Currumbin Valley, a hidden gem in the Gold Coast hinterland. These breathtaking surroundings form the backdrop for what is proudly Australia's longest running health retreat. Guests are encouraged to do as much or as little as they please, with 400 acres of lush rainforest to explore and a daily program of optional activities.
We've got some really inclusive activities, so your watercolours, your life drawing, your yoga, through to some adventure activities as well, though, for really to push yourself out of the boundaries. And I think the goal of those adventure activities is really about communication, trust, empowerment, and supporting others.
If I don't want to participate as a guest in everything, is there a way I can just tap out?
Yeah, and I guess that's the great other element of Eden is we also showcase that a health retreat can be luxurious and elegant, and that comes into our spa offerings. Yeah. So nature is a great place to reconnect and ground, but we also know a massage or a beautiful facial can always work out really, really well. There's so many elements here that really allows us to cater for all the guests.
We're using a breath meditation and your specific sound frequencies in and out through the nose.
Supporting the mind, body and spirit is at the core of what Eden does, with a range of soul-nourishing treatments on offer daily. Sound healing is an ancient practice using sound and vibrations to bring balance and harmony, and for many, myself included, a state of complete bliss.
Coming back to the present moment.
Oh, that was incredible. I think the best thing is, even if you fell asleep or you don't know how to meditate, the sound actually does the healing. Oh my goodness, I just feel peace. As well as classes, talks and inspiring workshops, there's a full array of beauty and natural therapies, from acupuncture to IV drips and my pick, the signature Aloha massage.
Encourage the body to release any tension that it's carrying, releasing that down into the core of the earth. So use your breath to purify through each of those responses.
Whether you come to Eden for a detox, healing, or a breather from the real world, no doubt the menu on offer will be a huge consideration. Ash, you are the executive chef here at Eden. Is the first question everyone wants to know, will I have enough food to eat while I'm here?
Yes, 100%. I can guarantee you.
I was worried.
No. And I think that's a big thing. Like, everyone thinks health retreat, we're just going to pump you full of lentils and chickpeas and tofu the whole time you're here. But no, we're not about that. It's all about nourishing your body, getting really clean, healthy food, and making sure you have plenty of it so you can do all the activities here.
There's 3 meals a day, including a 3-course dinner, plus morning and afternoon tea. And what's your philosophy behind the food here that you serve?
Right, it's all about minimal intervene, organic produce. I always say sexy, healthy, clean is the key. And, you know, you can look at the food and it's not that typical health retreat food, and that's what we want to surprise the guests when they're here.
There's rooms dotted all around the property, each with ample space and privacy. But the new Cascade Lodges are the ultimate in Zen-style indulgence. Despite all of the luxurious fittings throughout, it's the stunning views over the valley below that are their best feature. Welcome to Club Mud. You know what, you can come down here any time of the day, lather up and detoxify. Being surrounded by nature, guests are encouraged to make the most of the property's natural features. I'm not really sure what I expected from this experience, but it is so much more. Sure, there's not a cocktail to cheers at the end of the day, but I guarantee you that will be the furthest thing from your mind when you are surrounded by all of this. When you walk through the gates and let go, that's when the magic happens.